the Supreme Court delivered the verdict on the Kwesifua petition of the Common Supreme Court. Say President Mahama any right to say or suspend the Chief Justice Tokonu. Na in a ruling 3-2 Supreme Court ruling 3-2 in favor of President John Dramani Mahama. Say President Mahama any for say was suspended and now like one say or suspended your friends the Chief Justice Tokonu. Na into my dismiss it a petition. Na assembly course will call to hono. Kwasefua lawyer former attorney general Godfred Odame na Elikem Kotoko Kevin Taylor Adamfo Elikem Kotoko no court will be but in same year Twitter on the Facebook page Justice Kulendi, one of the Supreme Court judge ebusa Godfred Odame obusa Godfred Odame one simple question afi Godfred Odame entimi answer na afi wadane stamra na afi ohoro so na mi be read Asemna Justice Kulendi ebusa Godfred Odame a went me answer Supreme Court na say MPP for do sorry omuso mu ni momra ti mumye read that question na Justice Kulendi ebusa na went me answer no. According to Elikem Kotoko no say Justice Kulendi JSC to lawyer Godfred Odame the question in here show us the clause in Article 146 which states the timeline for notifying the Chief Justice that a petition for her removal has been received. Then local champion this Tama. So what I say, into Justice Kulendi ebusa Godfred Odame so also nimumra. To ebusa say chire Article 41 the clause Article 41 e say President Mahama show timeline what's President Mahama and notify Justice former suspended Chief Justice Tokonu about the timelines who receive petition demanding the removal on Chirafe de Godfred Odame ntimi most aya muslimu nim law na obi na lawyer lawyer Ivan Samuakon Andra ono so reacted to Andra afenyo marking punche police MPP demonstration ase lawyer Ivan Samuakon reacted to this issue na course or MPP press conference na se no mumien ko tie nsem a ode tu dwa yen ni se police for actually akoma speaker backbench say omu release afenyo marking na ome assist in investigation because of punchy police MPP saved the judiciary demonstration as mumien ko nsem a lawyer Ivan Samuakon ede tu dwa
Ivan Samankwa a private legal practitioner. In fact, he belongs to the NDC. Na okwa Ashanti regional hono butu odini juma. Demonstration enra ordinary dietri. Yenin komo kakra na afi yehwe. Say democratic right be call ye. Anyambia mampanyini. Say on reverse the suspension of the Chief Justice. Council Martin. No point to say. Nyame gusu hwe kakra. That's right. No demonstration when the actually kakra.
Then said that he am star, but maybe when the kakra.
Instead of yansa
radio.
Okay. The amount of choir petition is simple say Mampanyini a bear suspension one train since every say what tomra.
That's all. What are you? The Dika, the woman share or tea for them in share. Ghana for you, and I mean, share NDC for war Ghana social as a demand to NDC for almost a month penny at home. Hanamokai, but almost a month penny at home.
I almost say suspension. A dear Niquase Basokra, non can ye can a dear bear say, oh, Embrebia to Anasebia, ye PBB, Edgena to the Chief Justice, and yan a dear man penny special ye.
There be much the Gomut Sam Chrono Mampenia to Nankanaway. So would be maybe out because of Mampenin Tumra. Because if he says, Obiatumra, any violation of the law of this country, if you claim that somebody has violated or contravened any provisions of the laws of this country, you have to state it. Say them Nanakai, na stay down why no Ananeboa. Constitutional. Article 146 now kind of baby, Omampeni have a discretion that while the petition is going on, he has the right to start. suspend the Chief Justice or let her continue her work. And in consultation with the Council of State, Omampenia decided, say, Council of State advised some of the man to also suspend the Chief Justice. But the other man was suspended. And the brother never. You see, the MPP for Amma Ghana for your GDS from Cose, and sir, Omoketa share can for any dream of the Ghana and Tim or Tria Echamun. Omampeni Don Dramani Mama, a brother all born to our Ghana, and my Ghana 40 years as a trouble man by Omampenia. Ghana just a year, the Iradiano, or be making sure of the Habano. Was start here all Habano. And Untino are already started the judiciary. MPP for the imagine say. Bonia Dinosia, I'm a judiciary, I'm packing here. The case cocoa or them, and no we show money and whole demonstration. That is all that they want to tell Ghanaians. But say the Ghana for then radio when you Ghana for young question for. Because Chief Justice is an individual person. For me, I'm told the Chief Justice, I'm told the swabber. It will be too me even a white man. Like too many a white man on the Constitution, Chrono Sama. They could hear and numbers betting the in the field. If you man penny a gun of one in a walk, a costa light 10, a costa by in the crown. Yes, the Brano, MV Constitution, the Amano. Can soon not all Yanni among some already, and another.
Sanity.
At the other end, I think Justice here. Ye na mu yedidi. Chief Justice one ato na so and I got an even akosa lie. And I got print the ballot paper. And ye na dear my mother. Please, take Omampenia to and maybe ewo Jumedia Ecosunua. Amonka. And Yambia petition, maybe a minion in your but in back on me who a police in your lawyer. Not some echo. High Court in the Court of Appeal and D for the Court Supreme Court D4. Now Yabunwa Chief Justice as I dread issue Abra Castle and him say lawyer Penimu wouldn't say who say back court not the near the or Papa and no Nagin. No Nagin to see and chilling too. Now we are me and how to petition Chapman or incompetent. Because if they are competent enough, it means they have the right to speak. Because at our lawsuit, we are trained not to be timid. We speak to authority in respect. When did you ask us? I don't agree with what you are saying. Because you ain't to anybody to petition, I must be a anymore now. At that time, because of the what you can use the power to curtail somebody's right because you have spoken to insult the person and the person has said or disagree with you.
Radio XYZ.
I'll give you a break.
Yeah, but Council Enra, why wouldn't you just send from Ponkudia? I sent a former regional youth organizer, a Chebe, say the Onokran General Secretary. They all kind of say, Sans and a Chief Justice suspension, meaning say, who share any Diana. So why Mampeni Peso Cobium Quentin or Pese or suspended Chief Justice? What suspended Chief Justice are? The yastic to go for the third term, Anna.
On the said menu, I mean, baby, said you, so we are lawyer, not only a lawyer, meaning Mara. But we are lawyer.
There be pocket lawyers in the Mecano.
Mo, and who cries a pocket lawyer. Unimzasama Hawkan, a and good tumpusem. Unimzasama Hawkan, justice could be a and can say, Tiny panel, or yes, fair, a warning discussion, and that's justice could be Adane propagandist. And no propaganda. No cry any more. I said, opposition to your own visa. I need opposition, I own visa. Make opposition in film. I don't know who feed that. I said, this year, they say, Yamaka. Yeah, the Maka. But they be at the Mekan affair. I did the idea, I used to be a sea and to me and a Dutcher. That's a Dutcher will be could be a one affair. And yet, what of it? And the man is Salato. I said, because you're the man, Peninsula, the brand a yeguman. And if you don't know one brand a yeguman, if the brand or the yeguman, or 2 minutes, I'll be getting the same Embrana day.
Now, on general, after no man can say, I buy a bar. No, a bar, say, no, Nina bar revenge near the no. time aso sɛ yɛsesɛ firi saa deɛ no ho minority leader no a wohwɛ ne deɛ no mu a
afenyo yɛ me nyɔnko paa nti so customer ya na me mpɛsɛ na kana we bi ngame nua afenyo we I am older than him but me nua kuma afenyo wa to petetu wo ye no went me npu nkɔ fofo and that be dru so de ye wa wo se ye de ye mo break and the nye nyina nwie enye 11 11 draw na abo but the woman say bibia no o mampani aya eye retaliate a obi beti aka say oh we na ateka o mampani ye bibia tesa and the anako aya de kasema enyeyi menua say ye na mampani John Dramani mama aye bibia tesa dia eno na ebegina so dia kasa but onya bibia tesa e de na waya what they said or say obi aye ndintini baby why no aye nita bibia nko so sa processes of the constitution police ni na akoye or petition no or NDC obi ahu jo ye campaign when NDC that petition na the president be chief justice no man pani akufo adon te wa ni dika atwo bi that chief justice your tisu aye man pani John Dramani mama abreso e no bi twa on ho petition justice ni ye bo atewa ono kura ne ne agree kura ye disagree ni nyema bebre a oye ya ne empe eno kura obi ajo petition ntia no but o man pani akufo ado to no chief justice o etwa no petition I don't know man kan ho asem why didn't they address that oh it be me pese me address justice kodia edden justice kodia asma o kase o man pani pese o ko term no Judicial dan some because o man pani pese o ko term and chief justice may determine it is not the Supreme Court that determines whether a company can go for the third term or not. It's the supreme law of the land that you ever call referendum to ascertain, and as a parliament would amend the constitution to say Omampenia Wako you bit and the Supreme Court. The Chief Justice only say if Omampeni wants to go third term. Na se saa na ye Omampenya agent so person ko term and they say no they do a Ghana for betima e decide ana me bo e dia den na person ka say Omampeni person ko term as far as I'm concerned Omampeni ni end senior me legal director for Ashade Region national legal team member there has never been so ko term over there we nipa he may have that adrenaline intimate and I will not be the person to speak for Omampeni because at our level, there has never been any discussion for that. But in the adage goes, never say never. And the other day, I mean to say, "On to me, ya na so obetini ade." Abra yenyen do.
Okay.
But me pese me say, me kasusu bia say, so mampani pese okọ tema. It is not the responsibility of the Supreme Court to take that decision for the president. Obi anim. Eti Justin Kobia onya de oka no. Na omienko substantive matter no. So yeah, you see. I was thinking, say, they will do a sober reflection of what has happened, the conduct of the Chief Justice. No man can say, oh, Omampeni, yemi abano, and yemi be war for me. But penny be ya, a bema on mino, yegina air back, near to anamon, kama, bema as we have an bibia, a chub the man a chumtino. Yesterday, was from Padiam Fanche. Na yamono. Say no be okay na top na o ay super reflection why am so be no one na o sre and you different from say me ko show be say me petition service meanwhile who to be no shoot now ko no it doesn't amount to law. In fact, in short, what they are doing is lawlessness. They have exhibited their, how do you call it, their democratic right by demonstrating. But when you demonstrate on something that has no basis for law, it becomes lawlessness assembly. That is what they have done.
Yes, Emran Techri.
Because I tell you, no, Adia or Mampedi and Bra Jumadi. Then a Samrana, Elegana, and Mampedi, Jumana, Wolf, Okosoritia, Tabran or Mampedi. What I say? Here, Nagaba Monte, or Mampedi, I take 1, 2, 3 say. I take 1, 4, 6 say. As I say, where's he say? Can't even in a one thing, Juma. Oh, a Joman Penny, Adia, we are the what Yamra. e je omampani twisan omampani se pentwen san then ye say e be tramonte so aye ye tre ama Ghana fo nyina hu say omampani no e de be di so no on famra anya dey anya adwuma on respect mara na de ne be si so no the Ghana fo nyina anya di say e ba say nyina be ko bi because ye transfer ama omampani bi de oman no mra kunni no e twitwi fom a be ko tie nyina da ache
okay
the empress so say omampani bi e be saade no so I was saying in idea na day against that but not when one individual.
Hello. Hey. Council Tianka.
There will be a day of reckoning where Oboni Awaye no and what could the boy day? What could you street to say ye Chief Justice and that the Chief Justice that who is being suspended pending the investigations and now say the hearing of the petition against her no who could you street to say Omampani Tinsan. Now Omampani Tinsan there on Tinsan said you didn't on Tinsan what you have been on Tinsan. It's a the Metimiaka in my humble opinion. Say no demonstration no more no.
Yeah.
Yes, it is their democratic right no more exercising. But it rather turned out to be a lawlessness gathering of the people of MPP.
Okay.
To that effect.
Yate.
I do more no.
Yate ase. Kansa no pay that say dwuma mo ye but almost say mra. To mo hwe say mampanyi be suspend